Welcome to this video briefing on the current state of Agentic AI governance. We'll explore the critical challenges facing enterprises as adoption accelerates, focusing on governance readiness, emerging threats to privileged access, and the necessity of runtime control planes. Now, look at the numbers on this slide. You see that 69%? That is the surge of enterprises racing to put AI into core workflows. But then look right next to it, at that 12%, governance reality. Only 12% of us actually have a centralized inventory. It is like running a high-energy physics lab where nearly everyone is starting experiments, but only a tiny fraction are keeping a logbook. We have shadow agents operating in the dark. That is why the mandatory CDO action item here is to establish a centralized registry. You cannot govern a system if you do not even know which agents are part of it. This slide gets to the heart of the danger. Notice that 92%? That is how many CISOs are alarmed by unmonitored permissions. We have these 5 critical MCP vectors listed, things like the confused deputy or tool poisoning. These are ways an autonomous agent can discover and chain exploits overnight while you are asleep. Our legacy PAM models fail because they were built for humans. The CISO action item here is the shift to ephemeral, least privileged tokens. It is about giving a machine a key that works for one specific door for one specific second, and then disappears. We are moving from paper policies to runtime control planes. With the EU AI Act coming into force in August 2026, regulators will not be satisfied with a document saying you have rules. They want proof of enforcement. Look at the 4-pillar control plane defined here: identity, guardrails, autonomy, and immutable audit trails. It is like having a proxy that checks every single tool call in real time. You do not just tell the agent to be good, you build a system where it cannot be bad, because the policy is evaluated at every step of the execution. Finally, here is your roadmap. It is a 4-step plan. First, centralize that agent registry so we know what we have. Second, modernize your agent IAM. Get rid of those static keys and use ephemeral ones. Third, deploy those control planes as actual policy as code interceptors. And fourth, enforce immutable auditing. We are moving from reactive, document-based compliance to proactive, automated runtime controls. If we do this, we are not just following rules, we are building a system that is inherently stable and secure. Thank you for watching this briefing. For more deep dives into AI governance frameworks and actionable tooling reviews to help you navigate these strategic shifts, please connect with us through our various channels.